Welcome everyone, it's day 18 and today's challenge is themed around the intention of discover. Today's challenge is super easy and super fun. You can do it at any time during the day. I recently discovered this website, which I will be linking down below in the description, which lets you access radio stations from all around the world. It is so fun and so cool, and that's what I want you to do today. I want you to go to that website, and throughout the day, I want you to listen to music from all around the world, and you might just discover something that you really like. So again, this is just a way for us to do things different from our normal routine, to step out of our comfort zones, to get out of ruts, to get out of our repeated habits and patterns, and to just kind of create new neural pathways, and do things a little bit differently, add a little bit of a spice to our day-to-day life. And music is such a fun way to do that. So this is such an easy challenge. I really don't think there's any reason not to do it. Just head over to that website. Again, the link is just going to be down below, and see what you discover. You might focus on just one country and go ahead and listen a little bit. And you can, of course, share with us the music that you're discovering and listening to. You can leave me a comment below here or over in our Facebook group if there's specific artists maybe that you wanted to share. Hopefully you'll find something that you really love. It can be really fun to just, discover, to play around, to get out of our habitual way of doing things. I know for me, I tend to listen to the same songs and the same artists over and over again. So it's really nice to kind of change the vibe. It can really bring a whole new mood. If you're doing this in your house, like while you're cooking, for example, is one of the times I like to do this, listen to music from all around the world. It really just changes the vibe of the whole house, and it makes me feel in a whole new different way. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Super sweet, super simple, and enjoy. Hopefully you'll discover some fun new music that you love. Okay, we'll connect again tomorrow morning.